Alright guys, so far it's working great. As you can see, I'm very happy with this. Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are reviewing this surge protector. It's got 10 AC outlets, 4 USB charging ports, and dual surge protection. If we rotate this on the back, we can see that it can handle AC 100 to 250 volts. It can handle up to 1875 watts at 125 volts, 15 amps. Dual surge protection, 2 times 4,000 joules. Alright guys, let's get unboxing. Oh yeah, you can tell already by the thickness of the cable that it's a heavy duty. So they supply you with a nice little manual here. Let's go ahead and see the actual protector. Oh yeah, check that out guys. So you get a nice on-off switch here. Also has a reset button. Yeah, so this is really nice. You got 4 USB ports. It's nice that they make the plugs opposite, so that way you can fit all multi-size plugs. They have little brackets here that you could put it on the wall if you wanted to. So it also gives you indicator light, surge protection, grounded protection, surge protection. Alright, let's test this out. Alright guys, so as you can see here, before we were using these cheap ones, so now we got a real one. And one thing I want to point out, that it doesn't slide that easy, so that's good, because it has little things on the bottom. Alright, let's go place it. So I'm building a little box in here that we're going to put all of our cables. Alright guys, so far it's working great. As you can see, I'm very happy with this.